So it's Halloween, which means people are ready to be offended, and Kim Kardashian was the one in their sights. The reality star dressed as R&B legend Aaliyah, and we have exclusive pictures of her out and about in Beverly Hills in costume. And of course, the internet jumped on her. They slammed her for cultural appropriation because Aaliyah was black and Kim is not, even going so far as to call it offensive. But luckily, there were plenty of people sticking up for Kim, saying she looks great and did nothing wrong with her outfit of choice. One even said this is exactly how you pay respect without doing blackface and commended Kim on her costume. So, what's your take?
Sometimes our pictures, videos, and stories are so hot, people worry their screens will set on fire. It's true. People say that. So come like and subscribe to our stuff if you can handle the heat.